Ako po si Felix Marauda, primary operator ng DTF machine na Hongate dito sa Robinsons, Novaliches. At araw-araw naman itong gagamit. Na may 79 meters kaming na-run as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping, 80% pa namang good to. At last na napalitan ang heads nito October 2023. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang leak system ay tama lang. Racing tank na link Friday. Ground wire. Ito namang ang use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po ang daily workload. Weekly consumption. Inventory. Powder, ito yung nagamit. Magenta, black, cyan, film, white ink, yellow, cleaning solution. Ito naman po yung monthly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.